Hello friends, hope all of you are doing well. Today we will learn how to insert an automatic table of content in your document. Either it may be your thesis or it may be a synopsis or it may be a research paper. But how to insert an automatic table of content in your document? We will do some necessary steps. Do focus on these steps and you will learn how to do so. So let's start. First of all, you must have a document. So it's an ordinary document, a sample of document that I have generated with. Okay, here we have some problem with the page number. So how to convert references? Okay, so let's start. So first of all, what we will have to do to insert a table of content. So you need to go to home page and you will heading first we will edit it, modify, click modify and change the color into black, and it will be usually all the formatted are anti-new Roman. Font size will be uh, 14. Okay, and I think it's okay, and bold. So we'll click OK, and let's start. We have our first heading, so click it, heading. We have done with it. Now, introduction of the thesis, then again click heading. Method and material. So again click. It's the first heading. Now we have subheading in our method and material section. So we will modify the second heading and it will be of time New Roman and the font size with 12 and bold and the color must be black. So it's okay. Click the OK button and we'll do it for the subheading. So we have the subheading 2. Then again, we'll click the subheading 2, subheading 2, subheading 2, subheading 2. So it is a very easy methodology or the procedure in order to insert an automatic table of content and your thesis or your dissertation, or it may be all any kind of the. So here is the result. So in case of result, we will select heading first. Heading first. Now, in case of molecular mechanism and of dysregulation of thyroid hormone signaling, we will select the heading second. It is the subheading we have. Then again, we have the subheading. And it will, upon clicking it, it will format as we have made it. Now it's discussion. Case of discussion, if we do select, so well, it's the heading first. Now we have references and again it's the heading first. So now you need to go to where you have to insert, in which page you have to insert the table of content. Let's say we have to insert here. You need to go to references and here is the table of content. There are different formats: automatic table 1, automatic table 2, and then we have a manual one. You can make a custom table of content for yourself if you want. So we will go with the, let's say, first. and it will automatically insert the table of content for us. It is the very easy method how to insert the table of content and your thesis or dissertation. If you have any questions regarding the table of content, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.